It's story time.
Hi everyone! Today we're working on writing a new song called When I'm Angry.
I could be scared.
Oh, like the time I wore a dinosaur mask and jumped out from behind the couch and said, "Roar!"
Yes. And I tripped and fell and became so frustrated and I screamed, "What is the matter with you?"
You were so loud, I thought I'd be catapulted to the moon. I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. I wish I didn't yell at you.
Well, that's why we're writing this song.
We want to find ways to help our bodies behave in better ways when it wants to have a tantrum.
Tantrums don't help anyone. They can actually be harmful.
Remember that tantrum you had when Mom asked you to brush your teeth last night?
I was so tired.
Yeah, that display made us all tired. Oh, I got it.
When I'm angry, I could be scared. I could be tired. Life's not fair.
I like it. Let's record it.
We'll be back soon.
We hope you enjoyed joining us behind the scenes.
Thanks for being a part of our writing session.
And being a part of our Storytime family. Check out some of our other videos here at Storytime with Annie and Rocco, where books and music help us grow.